Hello there. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about how to block ping from a network, or how to block a ping for a particular host. So ping command we use to see whether our network able to access or able to share the resources with each other or not, whether both hosts are capable enough to share the resources, and whether both network or host are sharing packets with each other or not. So generally we either need a routing to do that, and for a WAN network particularly, and for the local network, by uh, having a bus topology, or directly connected with each other, we can get this ping thing by giving an IP address and then the DNS in your NIC card, network interface card. So currently, in Packet Tracer, we created a network, and we have routing enabled, and you can see that since routing is enabled, we can ping with different networks. For example, let me show you 192.168.1.2. Let me show the IP first. Now this is 192.168.3.3 PC, and it able to ping with 192.168.1.2 because we enable routing. You can see same with for example 10's network, 10's 1 is pinging. But what if, despite of having routing, despite networks are capable enough to share packets, but what if we block ping command so that ping won't happen, ping won't work? How to do that? With extended ACL, we will going to configure it, and near to destination, which is router 3, I want to block this particular network. This particular two PCs won't able to ping with this serial interface and the fast interface. So this goes to router 3. So enable config T. Now access list, for example, I just give a value 101. We all know 1 to 99 is for standard, and 100 to 199 is for standard. Okay, so we just wants to deny this. Deny what? Deny Internet Control Message Protocol, ICMP. This protocol help us to ping with each other. This protocol particular help us to make a ping command. So I just wants to block ICMP. Now if you want to block for a particular host, then you can use host, for example 192.168.3.3. and if you want to block for a particular host, then again host. But we want to block a particular network, so what we're going to do is 192.168.3.0, then 0.0.0.255 is the wildcard mask of class C, and we will block that for 192.168.1.0. again we have to give a wildcard mask, so 0.0.0.255. sorry, we just gave a wrong command. So access list 101, deny ICMP, and then hit enter. Okay, so we just does that for the fast Ethernet port. Now we just want to do that same with for serial ports. So what the IP of serial port? So host will be same, network will be same 192.168.3.0. You can do that for the particular host also. Now this time we will do that for 10.0 and then 0.255.255.255. Okay, so because class A's network ID is 255.0.0.0, so the network range will be 0.255.255.255. Okay, all done. Now time to configure the exclusive deny statement, which is access list 101. We will have to permit IP of any network for any network. Now you can check that do show IP access list. And you can see what we configured yet. We block 192.168.3.0 network to ping 192.168.1.0 10.0.0.0. Okay, now what we need to do, we have to we just configure access list, we not yet implemented it, so we have to do that for fast Ethernet port 0/0. We are doing this for this fast Ethernet port, 0/0, and the IP access group, and the group value is 101, and then we will going to configure it for inbound so that our packet not to reach outside the network, not reach outside the router, so it get filtered from here only. So in. Now let's see whether we still able to ping with this particular host or not. So for example, ping 10.1, you can see destination host unreachable message came. Before we able to ping with the network, but not now. You can see ping 192.168.1.1 destination host unreachable, 2 destination host unreachable, 3. So it will not allow to ping with the 10's network. In fact, this host will not allow to ping with this network also, with router 1 also, because this particular serial interface having 10's IP. You can see, let me show you, 10's 2 will not be allowed, but you can ping with ping.20's1. Here we go. Now just imagine, you can see the same router having a 10's range and 20's range, but you will not, because we just disable, and we just consider all network disabled for ICMP. Hope you learned something about how to ban or block ping command from via extended ACL. Thanks for watching.